to do my hair and stuff. So, ever into this video, keep watching.
Need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. Your love, I need.
I wash my hair. These are cheap and you can buy them at Walmart. So yeah. So I'm gonna put this in my hair. Let me so like that, and then you make sure to brush your hair with a comb. It fell almost, but I catch it because my beautiful hair. Brush it out. It's so hard to brush. Yeah, and then you're all done with that. I'm gonna do a blow dryer. I like it to do like this. For this part, you just have to dry your hair. And spread it. Now I like to do on the top too. So this is my final look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So if you want to see more, comment down below. So bye, peace.